Finally, some cooler weather in the valley, thanks to mainly clouds and showers keeping temperatures down today. We've been running in the 80s and right around 90 degrees most of the afternoon. You see the first 1.5 Doppler networks fairly quiet now. The radar over the last 3 hours, there were some showers and storms scattered around, and most of it is either faded away or is still out of the area. But if we zoom in, you can see another round of some rain is coming through southeastern Hidalgo County out of far southwestern corner of Cameron County. But a little burst of some brief heavy rain right there, just approaching the Weslaco area right over Mercedes right now, and some rain and thunderstorms south of the valley, kind of moving west-northwest. That still may move into southern Hidalgo County if they're able to hold together. But none of this is severe, but I think it could come down briefly heavy in some areas for maybe 20 or 30 minutes, especially if you get caught under some of this rain that's just south of the Rio Grande River. But no flooding or heavy rain to cause any problems expected, but kind of just watch the rain still in some areas. And again, there's a little bit closer up view of the rain coming right through Mercedes now toward the Weslaco area. I'm standing about right there. It should be start hearing some rain on the building here pretty soon. So again, a little burst of some rain coming down out in Starr County. This rain has been fading away quickly over the last hour, but still some light rain north of Roma and right around the border with Zapata County into some of the ranch country areas in rural western Starr County. So a little bit of rain left over, but again, nothing too heavy. Temperatures are cooler now, 85 in Weslaco and in a lot of spots, Brownsville, Harlingen, Raymondville, 89 in Rio Grande City and 84 in Port Isabel. This evening, if you're going to be outdoors, probably any showers or weak thunderstorms will end by about 8 p.m. or so as we get towards sunset, and then mainly dry after that with temperatures kind of just holding or slowly falling through the 80s tonight. Should make it down into the upper 70s later tonight, but most of the evening will be in the 80s with still some clouds around. Future Track, probably a little excited for the rain, but you see it does kind of keep the rain in the same area. It may not be that massive like it shows, but in about that vicinity at 5 o'clock here within the next hour, coming west-northwestward through the valley. But again, it fades it away pretty quickly by around sunset. At midnight, it shows just some clouds around. Very small chances for a shower tonight. But then tomorrow, this might be a little early. It shows rain coming in at 8 a.m., but really any time during the day tomorrow, there could be some showers or storm popping up and moving west or northwest across the area. Kind of similar to today's weather. About 50% chance for rain, meaning about half the area should see some rain, maybe a little more. And then still a shower or storm in spots possible through tomorrow afternoon and through sunset. During the daytime on Wednesday, starts off cloudy again with maybe a few more showers or a storm. A cold front will be approaching. I know it's a little early for a cold front. It's not the strongest of fronts, but it's one that will at least kind of knock away the humidity a bit most days coming up toward the weekend and drop temperatures a little bit. So shower and storms possible scattered around on Wednesday, but as the front comes through, maybe a few showers or storm along and behind the front in the evening. But you notice how things mostly dry out by Thursday. I think Thursday we're looking at slightly cooler and less humid weather, the humidity gradually falling on Thursday, so it may feel pretty comfortable by the afternoon. Tricky part with the forecast really from about Thursday evening through the rest of the week is you notice how on this map the clouds are kind of hanging here near the coast. It looks like they may come back in at times, maybe Friday and into Saturday, and may bring a couple showers. So your better chances of rain later Friday or Saturday may be near the coast, but maybe in and out of some clouds at times, again, for mostly Friday and Saturday. So the first 1.570 forecast, high temperatures back up there around 90 tomorrow, 92 on Wednesday, with a shower or storm scattered around spots, about 50% chances of rain. By Thursday, we'll say mainly dry because it's a possibility that maybe a shower returns late Thursday night. But Friday and Saturday, the moisture will be on the edge of the area, it looks like. So depending on how many clouds spread back in, that may keep temperatures a little bit cooler. If it stays sunnier in some areas, you may go over 90 degrees in the upper valley. But I think your better chances for rain are over Cameron and Wilson counties, maybe a couple showers popping up on those days. And then everything should get pushed aside with still slightly cooler and less humid weather. Lows could dip into the 60s some days through early next week. So a little taste of some cool weather before fall begins, and we'll keep tracking it for you in your first 1.5 forecast coming up.